Howdy, folks. It's Handsome, and today we got an OG in the house. But before we get into that, go check out my shop. I got tools. Gonna have some more stuff on there soon, hopefully. Working on some t-shirts and jazz. Canon EOS R5, common issue, along with the R6, is the loose hot shoe. Now, let's see. Y'all can see that. You can even hear it, hopefully. It's loose, so the customer has no connection or an intermittent connection to the flash. So what we are going to do is pull the screws out, dip them in Loctite, and put the screws back in, let it cure, and we'll be fine. So we don't need a part. All we need is Loctite. And I use the red Loctite, but I put it in here because it's easier to dip. Because Loctite comes in a tube. I squeeze it all out and put it in there. And yeah, it's what I do. Got the Loctite. We got the tools. Let's just dive into this. It should not take that long. Just to show y'all the camera does work. Y'all have some gnarly comments. Yeah, a lot of nice ones, but the mean ones are mean, of course. No one said the internet was nice, right? So today we're just going to be pulling off this back panel in the top cover, and then we'll be working on the hot shoe from there. All right, we are going to start with my favorite, the viewfinder. What was this, the eyepiece? Hope everybody's doing well, staying focused, staying positive. I've probably done, man, I don't know. I'd like to say close to 100 of these ever since they came out. And people put these huge, the Godox V1 and stuff like that on the hot shoe, and it's just really heavy. Puts a lot of pressure on the hot shoe. And this hot shoe in particular fails. They have fixed it in the newer models with the integrated intelligent hot shoe, whatever it's called. I wonder if that one screw, oh man, he's got a little break right there. I always take off this whole panel. Wonder, yeah, don't have to take all them screws out. But I do know you gotta press this guy. And you're just gonna pop that off. Set you there. Now be careful here. I should probably turn that off. Handsome's repairs.
Handsome, I dropped off R5 yesterday.
Oh,
just
yeah.
wanted to know around what time it's gonna be ready.
Probably about 30 more minutes. I'm finishing up right now.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
I'll text you once I'm done.
Okay, not a problem.
Sounds good. Bye-bye. Yeah, I was supposed to have this done before I opened, but John came over and I had to help him out find a screw. So, yeah, that customer is wanting their camera. Boom. Believe that one. Now we have 2 screws here. I believe there is... I hate this screw. You gotta be careful with that screw. I've stripped this screw in R6 and R5 before. Just trying to run through the process. All right, now there are little plastic covers over the screws. I get those off. Dang, is that not, that's not even on there. So you're gonna take the screw out and you're gonna dip it in some Loctite, or you go buy some Loctite, make sure it's the red Loctite, and then you're gonna just drip a little on the yep. Okie dokie, wanna be difficult. Yep. Yep. All right. That is nice and tight. Now just reassemble. Make sure you put that flex cable, connect that flex cable. Boom. Then this cable. God, I hate these cables. Boom. All right, let's wipe that. Give a little blow. Little blow never hurt nobody. I love these flex connectors. You just press down and boom, but you gotta line it up. Sometimes they can be tricky. Oh, I love them. They're so easy. 30 minutes later, customer calling back. He's pissed. It's like, you said 30 minutes. It's been 3 hours. All right, you come on. Told you. All right, we're good. We're good. You gotta make sure that connection is clean. Let's go ahead and blow that sensor off while we got the battery in there. All right, now for the ultimate test. Guess I should have did this earlier. Needs hopefully y'all can see the flash. We're good to go. All right, so that was tightening the loose hot shoe on a Canon R5. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Till next time, don't break nothing. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke.